Hi, my name is Kevin Klersy. I work at ATAS as a CAD Draftsman. I've been with the company, it'll be 7 years in November. So I graduated from L-Tri-C with my associate's degree in mechanical engineering technologies, and I also have a 4-year degree from Temple in engineering technologies. My major duties as a CAD draftsman, I do a lot of the 3D details, and that involves me using the 3D program Inventor. The best characteristic for my job would be the willingness to learn and adapt on the job. In my typical day-to-day, I use a computer a lot, specifically with Inventor. We do use AutoCAD a little bit, and the little times I program the turret press. There's a standalone product for the turret, and that program is called NC Express. So what led me to this career as a CAD draftsman is actually really funny, because up until senior year in high school, I had no clue what I really wanted to do. And then my mom said, "You remind me a lot of her father," which was in a similar profession. And then she kind of picked out the career almost for me, which is pretty funny. The training that's required for my position would be, as long as you have enough experience coming out of high school, I'd say that's pretty good. But a 2-year degree from college would be good as well. And then that's what I do here at ATAS.